Oh, I'm sorry. Wait a minute. Hold on one second. I forgot about Guy Lemunion. Guy, are you still here?
Yes, Mayor.
Okay. Sorry about that, Guy. And then we'll get to Becky and then Deanna. And then that'll be it.
My name is Guy Lemunion. I'm a resident of the city of Sedona. I also am a trained researcher. I have a degree in research psychology, and I teach nursing research at an unnamed university. I want to go right to my bottom line because I'm time limited. 1, the World Health Organization findings have shown that noise is the second largest environmental cause of health problems, just after the impact of air pollution, and children may also be affected. My reference is University of California, Davis, their Department of Environmental Sciences. 2, according to the World Health Organization, quote, excessive noise can cause annoyance. In addition, research shows it increases the risk for ischemic heart disease and hypertension, sleep disturbances, hearing impairment, tinnitus, cognitive impairment, with increasing evidence for other health impacts such as adverse birth outcomes and mental health problems. So I conducted, at no expense to the city, a pilot study to see if these things are actually occurring here in our city. So this was a study of residents and employees in our city. 71% annoyance, 61% lowered quality of life, 52% anxiety, 52% depression, 48% sleep disturbances, 42% tinnitus, that's ringing in the ears, 29% stress, 29% hypertension, 28% hearing loss, 16% cognitive impairment, and 6% ischemic heart disease. The majority of the respondents, and they self-selected, I believe, lived near 89A in West Sedona. So this is merely a pilot study and my recommendation and suggestion, and I attempted to send it to your group, and now I have all your emails. So I'll drop this in your box, and I'm suggesting the previous study, which I requested, thank you, and the resolution, which I requested, thank you, did not consider health impacts. So in my mind, the health of residents here is, in our city, is your business much more than what's happening in the forest.
Thank you, Guy.